Let's access your convenience settings. Go to Setup, Vehicle Settings, Convenience. It will give you multiple options. First option will be your rear occupant alert. If your rear door is open and closed, the driver gets a reminder to check the rear seat in case you have a pet, belongings, or a passenger. You also have service intervals. It will alert you based on distance and duration. You also get oil change reminders. You have a wireless charging system. It enables the wireless charging pad and it's compatible with most devices. You also have auto rear wiper in reverse. It activates the rear windshield wiper automatically when the front wiper is on and the gear is in reverse. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments? Drop them down below and we'll see you soon.